Rappers stepping to me, they want to get something, but I'm the king, so yo, you know the outcome, another victory. They can't get with me, so pick your BC date, cause you're history. What's up, great people? It's your man Soapbox Rock, day 71, releasing mediocrity. We letting it go. Yeah, today, I'm gonna talk about this level of mediocrity called not burning bridges. How many people have burned bridges in their life? Burnt plenty of them. Had to go back and apologize, rebuild those bridges. I'm telling you this, people. What we could do is to stop being so emotional sometimes with people so we don't have to burn bridges with them. When we're not being overly emotional, we can tend to hear somebody's perspective a little bit better. Stop looking for a retort when they're talking, because now you're not listening, because you're looking for how you can intercede and get your thought across instead of listening to what they're saying, because they may have something very pertinent for you to hear. Like, for instance, I burnt many a bridge in my life. Then I had to go back and rebuild that bridge. Now, some bridges are worth burning for people who do not, fit your highest interest in life anymore. It's cool to let those bridges burn, and you ain't going back. It's cool. But some people are not, they don't fit into that category. So we don't want to burn bridges with people who don't fit into that category. We want to always keep, mutuality going on. We want to keep relationships amenable a lot of times, because sometimes someone may just be in their emotions as they're speaking to us, and then we hear it differently. But a lot of times they may not be saying it the way we hear it. So as the theme for the day in releasing mediocrity, don't burn so many bridges. If someone does something you don't like, hey, communicate with them. Just talk to them about it. I had to do the same thing. People done it to me. And we're human beings, and that's what we do. But the thing is, man, let's just keep strong relationships with each other, because at the end of the day, we all in this together. We all on planet Earth together. We need each other. Yo, this your man Soapbox Rock, day 71. Stop burning bridges, because you don't want to go back and rebuild bridges with people sometime. And then with that, I'm going to check y'all tomorrow on day 72. And we're going to continue this thing on to day 90. We marching forward. Always remember to keep liking and subscribing and watching and commenting and sharing the videos. I appreciate it all. I'm up out of here. Deuces.